And here's a pro tip: if you're going to go sea kayaking, make sure to bring a spare pair of underwear because you do get wet. So right now I'm wearing dry pants with wet undies, so I'm feeling like I peed my pants.
Tell me about sea kayaking.
Sea kayaking was really fun. So, what was that place? Eastern Shore Outfitters, I believe is what it was called. So it was definitely a family-run operation, I would say, because we were the only 2 sea kayakers out there today. But the guide was a nice college student majoring in sociology and economics. Anywho, so we went along the coast, we went around some rock islands where we got to see harbor seals, and there was probably at least 5 to 6 of them, because several of them were in the water and one was up on the rocks. So that was the highlight of the day.
So today, last day on vacation, last day in Canada, and we're going to go on a sea kayak. Kayak. First time. It's interesting to try to control a boat with your rudder versus the paddle. Can't see with the GoPro, but there actually is a seal, a harbor seal, on the island, and I'm going to point my boat.
Okay, I can tell that we Gordons are getting old because now we're driving down the road and we see this thing. It says covered bridge. I'm like, you want to go? And Carl's like, sure. So that is truly when you know you're getting an old person. But anyway, so this little bridge here is actually kind of cool. They retained the bridge when they built the new road, and it looks like the date on this bridge is 1910. So it's well over 100 years old, and it's actually really cool. Yeah. Unfortunately, teenagers, like teenagers do, we were teenagers once, like to come out here and spray paint their names on things, but otherwise, really cool bridge. So if you see covered bridges, lighthouses, something, get off the road, check it out.
There's a Carl on the wall. Carl. Some purple, beautiful flowers. Purple. White things, purple things. And of course, by this time, we're getting hungry and found McKay's Wild Blueberry farm stand for a yummy ice cream treat. These, I guess, are blueberry pickers. Careful, they're wild.
Slice for $3 and she had the king. We have blueberry, blueberry raspberry, blueberry cranberry, blueberry rhubarb. Right.
What are these? What are these on top?
The bees.
Those are bees.
They're just decorations.
Okay. I guess you need the bees, don't we?
a restaurant just up the way, like they're known for their seafood.
GoPro, turn off. GoPro, why don't you listen to me? GoPro, turn off.